Yeah, like the thing is the big Zuck can't appreciate old school internet because he ain't growing up on it. You know what I mean? Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a new video. I know, we're all excited. We're all excited. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so today we're going to be talking about an alternative internet protocol called Gemini. And essentially what it is so if you think about the internet nowadays, modern internet 3.0 or whatever you want to call it, or 2.0, or you know, you have a lot of code going on, a lot of CSS, all the HTMLs, all the other stupid framework plugin garbage that kind of junks everything up. It makes it so there's a bunch of stuff hanging out in your RAM. The pages load slower. The overall experience in the modern internet is kind of terrible. And the thing about it is, back in the day when I first started using the internet and you had to have a dial-up connection, well, that was a terrible experience too, because that shit was slow as hell. You know what I mean? Like, it was slow. It sucked, right? And you had to hear the stupid noise. So what's pretty cool is if you take old school internet and you use it on the new connections with the faster machines and all that, it all of a sudden becomes like a blazingly fast experience. And yeah, there's a lot of options as well. So I'm not going to be going over too much. I'm going to give you like the best default option that I think you should start out with, and then you can look through the stuff and find, the client that's going to fit you. So, let's talk about Lagrange. Lagrange, it's kind of unreal. So it's a GUI browser for Gemini to look at these pages that people host either on VPSs or Raspberry Pis or whatever kind of machine, whatever server that they have their little thing running off of. It enables you to visit that and read them. And if I'm also correct about this, you can also browse text files or like the markdown thing or whatever on your, but that'll be later. I plan on making multiple videos about this because this is just really entertaining to me. I've spent like probably 4 or 5 hours with it today, and I just essentially kept clicking down rabbit holes of just like technical information and like people's opinions about like different kinds of Linux stuff, and it was just a really fun thing to like kind of stumble down and like, just get sucked into for a few hours. So I'm going to pass that on to you today. So Lagrange, right? For demonstration purposes, that's my terminal, right? It opens pretty fast, right? You know, pretty fast. Now watch Lagrange. Bro, literally just like almost as fast as my terminal, bro. Oh, I kind of messed up a second. But yeah, it's super fast. It's amazing. I can hide this stuff. I've already kind of messed with the UI of it. All of those settings are going to be in the preferences. So like the way it comes by default, I'll kind of show you. Hold on. It'll be like this. All right? Yeah. So it kind of comes like this, and then you'd be able to see your links. So you have bookmarks. This is like feeds, which is it's a similar to RSS, where you'll kind of subscribe to all these different capsules in here. And then, if you need to go look at something, you just click the link and boom, the page is right there. Very cool, very cool. Obviously, you got your history. I've been going pretty hard into just reading different crap here. Now, identities. So if you want to like leave a comment or do anything like this generates like a key, like a unique key. And you can have this identity. So when I go, like, for instance, here, let me put my thing back to how I had it. Gray, right? Everything's back to normal. Yep. Okay. So if I go here and I used it on one URL, I went right here and I wrote, "Hey buds," Arch, by the way, Lamau, right? This is how it knows who's who. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And then yeah, this is just like your open tabs, I believe, right? So bookmarks, I have a couple of useful ones you're probably gonna want to have bookmark for yourself. So Kennedy is kind of like the active search engine. From what I was looking at, there was multiple search engines, and this just seems to be the big one that the people are using, and it works. And on here, you have a whole bunch of tools in here. Like they got like a, an archive thing. You can actually. I have this known Gemini capsules. I actually have the just right here. So then you can just click this, and then it's gonna search through all of them. And now you can just click into anything. Like, let's go like right here, and then boom, now I'm on this person's page. And then you see this how this is in French, dude. I don't speak no French, right? So if I do Control Shift X, right, it'll translate it to English for me, right? So now I can read it. How dope is that? All right, and then they have like weather, they have all this kind of stuff. Oh, they have their own version of Wikipedia too. So this is pretty cool. Like look, I can look up DWM right here, right? And then boom, DWM, and then they have quick facts, features. They talk about all this stuff, and then what's cool is like any of these articles. If you click into like the section links right here, this is like links that the writer provided. You can go in, and then there's like all this. Oh, maybe I want to read an article about X monad, right? And then you come in here, and then you can just kind of go down a rabbit hole with that. There's a ton of features here. I've also found like stuff on like Linux minimalism or computer minimalism here, which is pretty cool. Worth's law, so yeah, and the bookmarks thing's great. And then so this also has snippets kind of situation where you can do aliases for pages too. So when you're typing in the URL bar, bang, you can go that way. What else do I think I gotta talk about on here? Yeah, very cool, very cool. So I'll show you a couple of resource arenas real quick. Let's see, what is it? Gemini. Oop. Awesome. Oh. List. There we go. So you're gonna definitely want to check this page out. This is one of those awesome lists. It's got all sorts of stuff on here. All right, you got like clients. Like look at clients. Look at how many clients there are. This is just the TUI right here, right in the terminal. And then these are all the graphical ones, right? And this is mobile, right? Windows, Mac OS, Amiga. Don't. Well, I guess I don't know. That's actually kind of based. uh they have like other stuff related to it. Here's all the server software that they have, which is a whole bunch of server software right there. Services, tools, toolkits. You know what I mean? You're gonna get lost in this. I promise you. This is very, very, very cool. Yeah, and I don't know. I'm gonna be messing around with this, and I'll probably make more videos about this because this is a whole new thing for me. Anyways. We've been chugging along in the Discord. Please feel free to join the Discord. I got the link on the video, link in the description, link in the pinned comments, wherever you need to click. I really appreciate you guys checking out this sort of situation with me, because this is fun. I hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. That always helps. I'm gonna go have a good night, and I hope you guys have a good one too. Alright, check you later. Peace.